In a small village tucked between the rolling hills, there lived a young girl named Gwen who loved riding her horse, Star. Every day after her chores, she and Star would gallop through the beautiful countryside, discovering new trails and hidden nooks. One bright morning, Gwen decided to explore an unfamiliar part of the dense forest. Navigating through thick foliage and age-old trees, she felt a sense of adventure. However, the ground was slippy from the recent rains, and suddenly, Star's hoof caught on a hidden root. Gwen was thrown from her saddle and landed hard on the forest floor, injuring her leg. Unable to get up, Gwen felt a wave of panic rising. Just then, a gentle voice broke through the silence. A kind healer named Ilara found her and swiftly carried her to her cozy woodland cottage. Ilara tended to Gwen's wounds and gave her warm herbal tea. As Gwen rested on a soft bed, she listened to Ilara's tales. The most intriguing story was about a legendary silver stallion named Silverwind who protected the forest with his magical presence. Fascinated, Gwen wove dreams about the mystical horse, envisioning his shimmering mane and wise eyes. After several days of care, Gwen was strong enough to return home. Yet, she couldn't forget the stories of Silverwind. Determined to thank the magical stallion, she set out once more into the forest, this time with a sense of purpose.